Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to create a quick in-depth comparison review about these two platforms, which is Pineapple Builder and B12. So to get started with a quick overview about these two websites. Pineapple Builder is an AI-powered website builder designed for quick and simple website creation, especially for solopreneur and small businesses. So it focuses on landing page, one-page website, and lead generation with a focus on mobile optimization and simplicity. Then talking about B12 on the other side is a leverage AI and expert guidance to build professional website. It's targeted at small businesses, agencies, and freelancers who need more advanced design and functionalities, including customization and integration for e-commerce, blog, and more complex site. And here's the downside about this platform, starting with the Pineapple Builder. It has a limited customization option for large site, not suitable for complex e-commerce or multiple page site. It also has a basic functionalities without advanced design control. Then talking about the downside of B12, it can be more expensive than simpler website builder, and some users might prefer a full DIY builder over the human assistant aspect. And here's the viral conclusion about these two platforms. So you can simply go for Pineapple Builder if you need a fast AI driving solution for quick, simple website or a landing pages. Then on the other side, you can opt in for B12 if you want more design flexibility, advanced features for professional website, and willing to invest in expert support. So that's it. Let me know in the comment section what you think about these two platforms and which of these platforms can be a changer to you. Thanks.